Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn a very common Java programming problem, which is how to find the factorial of a number. This is a basic program, but understanding it is important because it helps us learn concepts like loops, variables, multiplication, and user input. First, let's understand what is factorial. So factorial of a number n is represented as n exclamation mark. So for example, if I have to calculate the factorial of 5, it would be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 120. Similarly for 4, it is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 24. For 3, it is 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. And one important thing, the factorial of 0 is 1. So now let's write the program. So I am considering a scanner class because I want input from the user. So scanner SC is equal to new scanner. Here I've created an object of scanner class and giving the input as system.in, where the user will provide the number of which factorial needs to be calculated. I have imported the package java.util.scanner, and we are going to take integer as the input from the user. Let me print a statement here saying enter a number, so that the user gets to know what steps has to be performed. Okay, now once we have got the input, we are going to have one more variable, which let's name it as fact. So in fact is equal to 1. Here we have a variable called fact whose value is 1. Now we are going to introduce for loop. So for int I is equal to 2, I less than equal to n, and I plus plus. I will explain why we have taken the for loop like this, but let's first write things. So fact is equal to fact into I, and then I'm going to print the value of fact. So what is going to happen is, okay, let's just consider that we want to find the factorial of 2. So we know that it's 2 into 1, but let's see how. So if I go in the for loop, so int I is equal to 2, yes. I less than equal to 2, yes. So I'm going to go inside, it says fact is equal to fact into I. I know that fact is 1, so 1 into I was 2, so 1 into 2 is 2. So that is nothing but factorial of 2. And then I will print the value of fact. Let me write a sysout system.out.println fact. So this will give us the value 2 that we calculated, which was the factorial of 2. Similarly, let's consider we wanted to have a factorial of 3. So let's go back. So first it would be I is equal to 2. Then it would be after incrementing, so it would be I plus plus, so it is either the value of I is 3. Is it less than equal to n? Yeah. So fact into I. Now the value of fact was already 2. Now I'm going to again multiply it by I, and this time I value was 3. Similarly for 4, so if I is equal to 4, maybe the value of n was 4, so we would do the same calculations. Now I'm going to enter a number, say 4. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me just do a sysout out of the loop and then run. So if I enter 4, it is, oh, let me delete this. Okay, so if I enter a value, say 4, I get a factorial of 4, that is 24. If I enter 5, it is going to give me 120. So understanding it is important. First, it has to go through the loop. We have given the value of fact as 1. So fact is equal to fact into I. And the value of fact gets updated in the loop. Let me explain again how the factorial of 5 was 120. So first what happened was n was 5 and fact is 1. When I went into the loop, I is equal to 2, I less than equal to n, and I plus plus. So it is going to give me fact is equal to fact into I. So the value is going to be 2. Now after increment it is going to be 3. And similarly the calculations for 4 and 5, and that's how we get the factorial. Okay, when I tried certain factorial, if you see the factorial of 100 is coming as 0, that is because its range is too much. Otherwise our code is perfect. So that's how you calculate a factorial of a number. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.